Hello and welcome. If you're a Toyota team member and you're getting ready for that big move to North Carolina, well, you've landed in the right spot. We're about to walk through a really special home buying program that was designed to save you thousands of dollars. So let's just dive right in.
So chances are you're part of the team heading to the new Toyota battery manufacturing site. And we know that's a huge life change, right? There is so much to organize, and that's exactly why this program was created. It was literally built from the ground up with you in mind.
All right, so what's the mission here? It's really simple: to make your move to the Triad area as smooth and seamless as it can possibly be. But, just as important, the goal is to make it financially rewarding, to put real money back into your pocket during this huge move.
I mean, let's be real for a second. Moving is one of the most stressful things we do in life. There are just countless moving parts you have to juggle. This program gets that. It acknowledges all that complexity, and it's specifically designed to take a whole lot of that weight right off your shoulders.
So who's making all this happen? Well, it's not just one company, it's a whole dedicated team. You can kind of think of them as your personal support squad for this entire process, an exclusive group of experts who are totally focused on helping you and your family succeed.
And here are the partners that make up that support network. You've got Toyota Motor North America and Toyota Financial Services, of course, but they've also brought in Eastwood Homes, a major home builder in the area, and U.S. Bank to handle all the financing. It's a truly comprehensive team effort.
Okay, now let's get to the part you're probably the most curious about, the money. We're going to unpack the financial benefits that are available only to you as a relocating Toyota team member. Seriously, this is where it gets really good.
The one word to keep in your head through all of this is exclusive. These aren't just standard public offers you could go find online. Nope. These are specific, negotiated benefits created just for the relocating Toyota team.
All right, let's kick things off with the home builder, Eastwood Homes. They are offering a really powerful two-part incentive.
So the first number you need to know is a big one, $10,000 to $15,000. And right off the bat, that's just the starting point for your savings with them before we even get to the exclusive Toyota bonuses.
So what's that money for? Well, this is their standard promotion that you get automatically. You can use it in their design center to customize your brand new home. We're talking countertops, flooring, light fixtures, all the little things that really make a house feel like your house.
Okay, so that first amount is their standard deal, which is already fantastic. But this is where the exclusive Toyota benefit really shines. Because on top of all that, you get an additional incentive just for being on the team.
And that incentive is an extra $5,000. Just like that, it's a direct bonus added right on top of their standard promotion, purely because you're part of this move with Toyota.
And the best part is, you've got real flexibility with this extra $5,000. You could use it for brand new blinds throughout the house, or maybe new appliances. Or, and this is a big one, you could use it to buy down your mortgage rate for long-term savings, or even just apply it directly to your closing costs to reduce the cash you need on day one.
But wait, the savings don't stop with the builder. Your lending partner, U.S. Bank, has its own set of benefits to stack on top of everything else. So the key number to know from U.S. Bank is 0.25%. Now, I know it might not sound like a huge number by itself, but let's take a look at what that actually means for your wallet.
Here's the deal. They will take 0.25% of your total loan amount and just hand it right back to you as a credit towards your closing costs. Now, this is capped at $1,000, but hey, that's a direct, tangible saving that lowers the amount of cash you need to bring on closing day.
And beyond the direct cash savings, the program also offers some really essential support services. They have special provisions for international buyers, which can be a tricky process. They can handle direct billing of closing costs to simplify all that paperwork, and you get a dedicated corporate team to guide you every step of the way. Okay, you can see the incredible value here. So the big question is, how do you actually get your hands on these benefits? Well, this final section lays out the clear, simple path to do just that.
So let's just put it all together real quick. From Eastwood Homes, you're getting their standard $10,000 to $15,000 promo, plus that exclusive $5,000 Toyota bonus. Then from U.S. Bank, you get that closing cost credit of 0.25%, up to another $1,000. I mean, it's a really powerful combination when you see it all laid out.
It really just boils down to two super simple steps. First, you need to get in touch with the dedicated point person for this entire program. And second, and this part is key, you have to mention that you're part of the exclusive Toyota partnership. That's the magic phrase that unlocks all of these amazing savings.
And here is all the contact info you'll need. The relocation expert is Brian Williams with Coldwell Banker Advantage. You've got his phone number, his email address, and his website right there. He is your main point of contact and really your gateway to this whole program. So, we started with that mission, right? A smooth, simple, and rewarding move. With this support team, this structure, and these significant financial perks all in place, the path forward is really clear. The only question left is, are you ready to take that first step?